who does capital actually protect? And the truth hits me. Most funds are built to serve spreadsheets, but the future doesn't belong to spreadsheets. It belongs to people who can shield nations, feed cities, win wars before they begin. So we built an engine, one designed to move with the pulse of sovereign power. Funds that understand capital isn't about returns, it is about control, security, destiny. Let's zoom out. In the next decade, $30 trillion will shift across energy, defense, biotech, and infrastructure. Not because of speculation, but because nations have no choice. Energy grids are being re-architectured. Biological defense is becoming as important as military defense, and AI is becoming a strategic asset, not a tool. But most capital is still trapped in yesterday's metrics. They chase quarterly report while the world rewrites the rules. Our funds were built to operate inside that shift. We don't just seek alpha, we engineer it through strategic positioning in the places where power has no choice but to flow. When you look at Kruvon, Baronur, Lhargo, they are not just investment vehicles, they are instruments of national importance. Kruvon isn't just energy, it is energy sovereignty. Lhargo isn't just aerospace, it is preemptive defense infrastructure. Baronur isn't just credit, it is the quiet power behind distressed government and global liquidity plays. We study what central banks can't say publicly. We listen to what generals whisper behind closed doors. We move not as speculators, but as strategic architects of capital. And that is what today's sophisticated investor is waking up to. The markets are no longer just financial, they are geopolitical. If you're still playing the old game, chasing yield while the world burns, you will miss the real opportunity because real wealth, is the power to shape the future. Wealth is knowing you are back in the systems that protect billions, being early where nations will later beg for supply, and building a legacy that doesn't just grow capital but commands influence, access, and time. That is why our funds were built never to be competitive, they were built to be inevitable. This, again, isn't for everyone. If you are looking for the fastest exit or the flashiest pitch deck, this probably isn't your room. But if you're building a future where your capital plays on the sovereign chessboard, then we should talk. We open a few strategic conversations per month. No pressure, no push, just a vision-aligned capital finding its rightful place. Let's see if your wealth deserves a role in the century's most strategic movements.